in this video of the TypeScript series, we are going to discuss about the enum type in TypeScript. So let's get started. Let's first understand what are enums. So enum is a special kind of data type consisting of constant values which are given a name. So it's a way to define named constant values. So we generally use enums in cases wherein we have a set of distinct values which we are going to reference again and again in our code, and the values of which we know aren't going to change. Let's understand it better with an example. Let's say we have these three constants which denote the user role: admin, moderator, and user. These are nothing but named constants, and the value of these aren't going to change throughout our code. So instead of defining them like this, what we can use is an enum instead. So for using an enum in TypeScript, what we need to do is we simply need to write enum, define the name of the enum that we want to give, let's say user role, then put a curly braces, and inside it we simply write these values, that is admin is 1, moderator is 2, and user is 3. As simple as that. So you can see with the help of enum, we created a group instead of having independent variables. And now we can use this enum anywhere in our code. Let's say we have a variable called as current user role. So now we can define this enum type to this current user role. And for defining the value, we can simply write this user role, put a dot, and you can see that in the drop down we are getting all the values that are there inside our enum, that is admin, moderator, and user. So you can see how using an enum can make our code more readable and self-explanatory. Also, if we don't give a value to these enum constants, so let me remove these from here, then the first value inside our enum is assigned a value of 0, and the following ones are auto-incremented after that. So you can see that if you hover on this admin, it is assigned a value of 0, moderator is assigned a value of 1, and the user is assigned a value of 2. And in case you want to give a specific value, say to admin you want to give a value of 6, then also moderator and user will be auto-incremented, and moderator would be 7 and user would be 8. But in case you want to give your own values, that you can do as well. So you can give any value to these as well individually. Now apart from numeric enums, we also have string enums as well, wherein the value assigned is a string. For example, I can put these values over here for admin, moderator, and the user. So we can access the string enums similar to how we can access the numeric enums. The only difference being, in case of string enums, we cannot leave them uninitialized. For example, if I remove this initialization from here, you can see that we are getting an error that enum member must have an initializer. So that's majorly it about the enums. In the next video of our TypeScript series, we are going to learn about function types in TypeScript. If you found this video helpful, do hit the subscribe button. See you in the next one.